Okay, so we are working on the door behind us. Our outhouse door is going to be like the coolest outhouse door in all of the land because it's going to have a little window. So when you're doing the stuff, you're getting the view, because this is basically the view you get, which I understand the camera's not focusing. So anyway, while you're watching, that's everything you're getting. You're getting to see us kind of shape in the window, dry fit it. Is that what you call it?
Yeah, let's go with that.
Yeah, you can see me dry fit it in. Ryan's gonna help too, and I think that's it.
I'm caught in this moment. Hold on, don't let it slip away. Windows wide open. Clear skies, no chance of rain. And I can't imagine wanting more. It's something that I can't ignore. It's everything I'm looking for right now. I feel so alive. Never felt so right. Feel so alive. I feel so alive. This might sound crazy. Let's take a drive out to the beach. This ukulele needs to be out by the sea. And I can't imagine wanting more. It's something that I can't ignore. It's everything I'm looking for right now. I feel so alive. Never felt so right. Feel so alive. I feel so alive. Can't imagine wanting more. It's something that I can't ignore. It's everything I'm looking for right now. I feel so alive. Never felt so right. Feel so alive. I feel so alive. Never felt so right. Feel so alive. I feel so alive.
Okay, we are going back up the hill one last time tonight. You guys, I say that, and Ryan could easily be like, let's go do one more thing. But anyway, last time tonight, I'm carrying 2 cameras, and we just carried our door up, and it looks fabulous, and we're gonna put it on. And it's gonna go on so easy. We have a history with doors. The shed door took us, I think, how many tries do you think it took?
4 or 5.
It took a lot, and it still doesn't open and close easily.
Perfect.
Yeah, our daughter actually said before this project, are you gonna make this door better than you made your last door? So,
We don't like her very much. don't we?
we hope it works. All right, we're gonna hang it up.
came out.
Okay. Okay, so it sticks a little bit. It sticks a lot down there.
I had it designed for the hinges to go on this side.
Oh.
So now our brace is backwards. So it's basically not doing anything.
So no, sweet daughter of ours, it's not going to be better than the first door we made. Make
Well,
that.
hello. Welcome to our outhouse.
All right, we have one more screen we need to put up on it and some siding around the screen is what you were saying to make it look a little fancier.
Yeah, and keep the bugs out.
But we're done for tonight. Give the people a wave.
Good night, people.
Oh. All right, I have my mega morning hair on, but I just used the outhouse for the first time. It was amazing. The window, spectacular. Being on a stable service, awesome. I give it 4.5 stars out of 5. And the only reason 4.5 is because the door doesn't quite work. I'm pretty excited.
Hey guys, we just met with our excavation company and we staked out our lines. So that's going to be on the schedule probably for next week. But the part of the area that they're going to excavate is going to be where this temporary deck structure was. We used to have a fifth wheel underneath here. It was old and kind of moldy, so we got rid of that, but this structure remained. We've used it as a little party deck and stuff. It's nice having a flat structure, but part of the area where they're going to excavate for the foundation is in line with this deck, so I'm going to have to take it down. So we're going to take out all the screws, and there's some nuts on there. So we're going to take out the nuts and we're going to try to reuse this lumber for another project.
Our next project was to grout the mantle for our pellet stove so we could move Manuel to his home.
Okay, so I think I'm gonna apply it.
Okay.
We're supposed to do it at a 45-degree angle.
Okay.
And then scrape it off once excess, what we don't need. We just finished up the grout on the tile, and we have to wait 24 hours, and then we can put Manuel into his final home. So hopefully we'll be able to do that tomorrow before we leave here. So all we have to do is hook up his exhaust and we'll have a working pellet stove for the yurt. Can't remember everything all the time.
I remember lots. Where everybody's shoes are,